just taught to put my losses in the lesson.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to show you some bundles that I just recently received. These wefts look amazing. They are very thick, so I am very pleased so far. So right now I'm just showing you the process that I use to wash my bundles. I hate when I wash my bundles and they come apart because it is very hard to get them back together. So what I do is I take a rubber band off of the package that I received. I place that rubber band over the bundles and I wash my bundles with a rubber band. This helps me keep the bundles together and so that I won't get them mixed up, they don't get all tangly, and I just love it. So now I am putting some shampoo on the bundles because of course when you receive bundles in the mail, I know sometimes it's very tempting not to wash your hair, but we want to make sure that we wash our hair and we want to make sure that we clean it out, because you don't necessarily know where they're coming from. Yeah, they put that information on the envelope, but we just want to make sure that we go in ourselves and we clean those bundles. So next I am just rinsing the hair out. I am going to squeeze the wefts just to make sure that I'm getting inside the wefts as well, because like I was telling y'all, I wash my bundles with the rubber band on them, so I want to make sure that I'm cleaning it thoroughly and I'm getting all of the soap out. So after I shampoo, this is when I go back and condition the bundles. As you can see, I am running low on this Aussie conditioner. That is what I use to clean my bundles with, or to wash my bundles with rather. And I'm just going through, finger combing all of the conditioner through. And when I do get to the rinsing process, I use cold water. Cold water actually seals the hair so that it can stay nice and conditioned. So whenever you're rinsing your conditioner out, just like you do in your natural 4C, well, I have natural 4C hair, you want to use cool water. And look at these bundles. The hair looks as soft as it feels. Now I am going to squeeze all of the water out and I am going to use a swirly motion to set my bundles and to allow them to dry, just so that the form will come back once they dry. And I am going to continue this process throughout all of my bundles. As you can see, I'm just showing you all what it looks like straight out of the packaging. It has the same silver wrap around it, so I'm just going to take that, I'm going to pull it off, and I'm just going to proceed to wash these bundles as I did the first one. Now, one thing I would recommend is if you are getting your hair done the next day, that you sit your bundles somewhere where there is air flowing. You can either sit them outside in the sun or you can sit them in front of the fan. Because what I did run into was, because I was getting my hair done the next day, is that the bundles were not completely dry. And so I had to sit them outside. Here, I'm just showing you all what the lace closure looks like. It looks like they tried to repluck it a little bit. The texture of the hair is pretty consistent. It is a three-way parting closure, so I'm going to just wash the closure as I did with other bundles. But that would be one thing that I recommend, is to set your hair somewhere or hang it up so that it dries. The lace closure was the last thing that I washed and conditioned, and I'm just showing you all that you can see the parting space while it is wet. I did not bleach the knots with this one. What I did was I used makeup in order to make it look or appear scalp-like. So that's what I did after I got finished, and after all of the hair dried, I went and I used my foundation that I normally use for my skin, and I just colored the back of the lace. Now I do use the same swirly motion here for the lace closure as well, just to help set the bundles. And when you're done, this is what they should look like. So my glitter babes, we have reached the end. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.